Buddy, this is Bowman University. Pick your color number 5. 4 box break, guys. It's the second break of the case. Number 6 kills the case, guys. Good luck. And Guam Chief, thank you for the kill, guys. Appreciate it. Yeah, good luck, Guam, for sure. Thank you guys for the kill. Next is going to be Bowman Megas. I really got to get the Megas moving. And then I have some Topps Chrome, guys. Do you guys want to do Topps Chrome by the color or by the team? What do you guys think? A player break. I don't know if I have enough legs for a player break. I don't know. I can ask Blez. I prefer. I never ripped any Topps Chrome this past year. I don't know if we're gonna. I think I only have a case or two of it, no deck. But we could probably break it up. I mean, I wouldn't mind doing teams. I prefer teams a lot of times over colors. Ah, yes, no doubt. I've heard easy come, easy go. The question is will you let me go? Bismillah. Ah, we will not let you go. Let him go. It's a fun karaoke song for sure. At weddings. It's going alright, Guam. Getting better. Sorry, our store is a little bit lighter than we'd like it to be right now. Good luck, guys. Thank you, Guam. Bowman Megas, guys. I'm going to try to push that through next. Good luck. Go on the X Factor. Bethia on the Sky Blue. Omorui. Our first auto is for Baylor. Langston Love goes to the others refractor autograph spot. On the on card of Langston. I did not tell it. I'm sorry, Average. I honestly forgot. True Gold. Gainy. Nice gold. Others gold non. I forgot all about it, Average. I'm sorry. I actually wouldn't have minded tailing you on it. Although I won't lie, I'm not a fan of minus 175 odds. Canupo. Cooper Flag base. Lots of Cooper Flags in this case. Dennis Evans on the Aqua Wave. Wow, that means Vegas was probably minus 225, 230. That's insane. I did want to tell you on it. I didn't have money in my account though. Sarah Strong. Where's the color in this? Green Reptilian autograph of Ashton Hardaway. Others green Reptilian autograph. Justice Carlton. And a true blue of Bethia to 150. That box was lacking color. What's the next lock of the day average? X-Fractor of Cooper Flag. Let's go. Let's do it, bud. Purple. Haggerty. There, Queen Refractor. Our next auto is a gold auto to 50. No. Reptilian Blue, I'm sorry. This case has been insane. We had Dylan Harper yesterday, and there's Ace. 102 of 150. Others, Reptilian Autograph Blue. Is a beauty, Dean. Nice hit. Who had the Others Blue Reptilian? Others Blue MWM. Nice. Morgan. Nice hit. Had Harper yesterday. Ace today. How about a Cooper Flag now? Nice. Sky Blue of Sarah Strong for the Others. Sky Blue. Refractor auto of PJ Haggerty. True Blue of Donovan Freeman. Dylan Harper on the X-Fractor. A gold of Kennedy Smith on the Social Studies. There is a lot of color in that one. I know. The 3 boxers were tough, but the last couple cases, this has been a new palette that these cases came on, and they've been pretty good. They've been definitely much better than those 3 boxers for sure. Blue Reptilian of Donovan Freeman, the 150.
I got one right here.
Oh, no worries. Fine.
I'm with my blade man today.
Ace. Another ace. On-card autograph of Braden Smith. Lots of on-cards I've noticed in this case too. I don't recall having this many on-card autos. That also goes to the Others Refractor autograph spot, McNeely. The True Blue Flash of Bethia, Others Blue. Dunga. Another reptilian blue autograph of DeLone. 16 of 150. Dylan Harper, another Cooper flag base. I'm not complaining about the flags. Come on, we need a nice Cooper flag for average.
Before I forget.
Oh, thank you.
Can you back?
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Thank you. Glad you feel a little better.
I'm feeling better for sure. I'm almost there, man. Hopefully another week or two. I'd be happy if it was just 1 to 2 weeks. What is this? Is that just upside down? Yeah, what? Green, nice. Green of this case has been crazy. Others green on. Corey with the nice Sarah Strong. There you go, Corey. A blue of Robert White. First auto is to 75. Others green reptilian of Gainey again. 57 of 75 on the Gainey. Harper Gilbert on the Aqua Wave. Another Cooper flag. And our last stack. Zion James. Our last auto is going to be a base of Venters. Others base autographs. True Blue of Zybo. Guam, I'm sorry, there wasn't anything there, Guam, but if you take anything else, I'll take care of you on something. Thank you very much, Guam, for the kill. I'm sorry it wasn't better. And thank you, everybody, for getting in that as well, so we could see it. Sorry about that average. Was a solid. Yeah, this one was solid. Oh, Guam, you might have. I'm sorry. I'm thinking of the flag spot you had. You might have had the others refractor auto. Yeah, you did. You did. I was just hoping I was gonna hit you bigger. It was really what I was trying to say there. You hit the on card of you hit a couple autos, just nothing crazy, you know. because you had the refractor Cooper spot and the gold Cooper spot. Recap. Totally. No, you know, the last case we finally hit a nice one. The last case we had a nice one on. Nice Ace Bailey. Couple autos for you there. Maybe I'm just getting cocky, thinking I can hit it easier now. But I will say, like, this case, the Sarah Strongs, the Ace Baileys, the Dylan Harper's that came out was nice too. Hey, Sublime, how are you? That was the break, guys, on number 5. Pick your color.